Equity Group Holdings PLC has announced its half performance for 2026. Profit after tax rose by 32% to 45.5 billion from 34.6 billion for the same period last year. According to the group's managing director and CEO James Mwangi, the performance underscores equity's improved balance sheet quality and growth, rising contributions from its regional subsidiaries and increased non-funded income contribution.
We see a positive trend where despite the banking group growing significantly, high double-digit numbers, 30, 40, whether it's customer deposits, whether it's loans, whether it's assets, the non-banking group, at startup status, led by insurance, technology, investment bank, they are pushing and they are very efficient. The highest growing number is profit before tax at 39%.
Members of